Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see an Indian Chinese chili chicken. Let's see the ingredients required. Approximately 200 grams of skinless, boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 small onion diced. Green capsicum diced. Half a red bell pepper diced, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 egg, 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, 3 green chilies chopped fine, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, a teaspoon of palm jaggery, salt to taste, a teaspoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of soya sauce, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 spring onion cut fine, oil for frying, and a few drops of pure sesame oil. Now let's marinate the chicken pieces. We'll add the salt first, the pepper powder, the corn flour, just a spoon of soya sauce, and 1 egg. We need to use our fingers now to mix all the ingredients. Now let's add a few drops of the sesame oil. That should do. Let the chicken pieces rest for about 20-25 minutes. Always remember, do not add too much salt because we are adding the sauces. The sauces always have salt in them. Just add enough for the chicken pieces. For the other ingredients, we can always balance it in the next step. The chicken has rested for 20 minutes. Now it's time to fry the pieces. Now let's switch on the gas and heat the oil. The wok is hot. Let's add some oil. Let's check if the oil is hot. Yes, it is. Can you see it bubbling? Do not drop all the pieces in one go. One at a time. Don't overload the wok as well. You shouldn't be frying them for more than 4 minutes. Wow, smells really good. The chicken pieces have been in the hot oil for about 2.5 minutes. Another minute or max another minute and a half. By then the sizzling also will come down, so you'll know that it's time to remove them from the hot oil. Lovely color. You can have them as it is. Of course, we are going to add the sauces and make a chili chicken of it. Now let's fry this next batch. Let's make a slurry of the corn flour. I have some chicken stock. I'll add it to the corn flour and make a slurry. I've taken about half a spoon of corn flour. That should do. We fried all the pieces, looking really tempting. Now the chicken pieces are fried and ready. The slurry is ready. The vegetables are diced and ready. Let's make the sauce. In a bowl, let's add the vinegar, the oyster sauce, the soya sauce, and the palm jaggery, and let's mix them all. We'll add the teaspoon of water to this. Yeah. The wok is hot, let's add oil to it. The oil is smoking, so let's add the ginger pieces. Now the garlic pieces, the green chilies. Wow, what a flavor. We mixed the sauces and kept them ready. Now let's add that liquid. Before it thickens too much, let's add the onions and the colored bell peppers. I'm already getting the lovely Chinese flavor. Let's add about a quarter cup of water. Chinese cooking needs to be done on a high flame. Don't reduce your flame. Now let's add the slurry. The vegetables don't have to be fully cooked. They need to retain the crunch. Now let's add the fried chicken pieces. Let's sprinkle just a few drops of pure sesame oil, just 4 or 5 drops are more than ample. Oh God, it gives a lovely flavor. And of course our spring onions. Chinese food is very popular across the globe. Of course each country sort of changes it a little to suit their taste. But otherwise even in India it's prevalent in every nook and corner. We too have sort of adjusted the taste to suit our palate. It's very nutritious because it's done on a high flame and it's not cooked fully. The vegetables are partially cooked and we use a whole lot of vegetables as well. So while you're planning for a Chinese dish, ensure that you assemble everything beside your gas. Just bringing them together is just in minutes. You must have noticed that it hardly took 3 to 4 minutes, the final finishing touch of the chili chicken. So this is done very, very quickly on a high flame. So preparation time is a little longer, but cooking time is hardly anything. I generally prefer to go by the natural colors, so I use more of the light soya sauce. If you prefer a darker color, use the light soya sauce, but just for the color, add a few drops of the dark soya sauce as well. As it is, the flavoring, the combination is perfect, more so for kids, but it will be a little on the less spicy side because we've added some palm sugar. The oyster sauce also is a little sweet. If you want it a little more spicy, you could add pepper powder or even a little chili sauce. In the end, just add them and mix it and enjoy your chili chicken. You don't even need noodles or a fried rice. I'd rather have just a bowl of not chili chicken, chili vegetables. Enjoy! I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.